Feels like a Monday morning, but it's not.
No, it's garbage. I got a full spindle.
You got a what?
On the main post for the spindle stair railing.
Yeah.
I gotta do one of those. And I'm planning to do some stuff here and there.
If you guys take like 2 hours and come cover the floor, will that damage your day?
I can send him if you want.
Yeah, but he needs to do it quick. Okay, do this.
Tell them that the
Check.
tables are coming at a specific time.
Yeah,
Gotta be done.
check with Orlando what time the tapers are coming, and then tell him it needs to be done
By then.
like way before that time.
Do we have any
No,
protection?
no. So the easiest thing or the best thing is gonna be for him to go to Dulux right there where you are, and they'll have some rolls.
Okay.
And they don't need. He doesn't need to get a whole like probably 1,500 square feet will be enough.
He's only covering.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Let me know. Thank you. So now there is a property. We found one. I can't remember if we had found it by last week, but we did find one, and it's in pretty rough shape, which is a good thing because that means there's an opportunity there for us to rehab it, renovate it, and then make money on the flip. But just running some numbers and that's what I'm trying to coordinate right now with Gabriel and Ali, just to make sure that we can go there and take a look. Gabriel's the realtor, Ali's the lender. And if everybody can align on this, then we may have a good shot at taking it and doing some work on it. We'll see.
I mudded this already. So now I'm going to sand everything and then start the painting. So, basically going to go over the patches and just sand them. I'm going to put my coffee down because I don't want dust in my coffee. It's probably not the good spot for it, but it is what it is. So basically we're just gonna be giving this room a fresh coat of paint, but before you paint, you always wanna kind of patch your walls, prep them, make sure they're good, or else after you paint, you're gonna notice all these lumps and holes in the wall. That's kind of what's going on right now. So some more at the top, but I'm gonna grab the ladder after and do the ones at the top. I always like to feel it out after. So I can always feel if there's any lumps or anything like that. Because sometimes you don't see it, especially if you don't have the right lighting in the room, then you won't see all the imperfections. Okay, this is pretty good here. Let's move along.
Engineer report basically says everything that I thought. We just got to replace that corner of the roof section. Anything that is repairable, anything that is untouched doesn't need to be upgraded.
Oh, really? That's really good.
Anything that is repair needs to be matched or better, and anything that's new, so the whole second floor siding, that needs to be up to code.
That's really good.
Yeah, well, that means you may not even have to do insulation in the walls and shit.
Yeah, but we should do foam board or something or no.
I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, we can definitely see, but that ups the price already.
I know.
So we're just taking a loan against the house.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I haven't figured it out yet. Let me call him back actually.
Okay, because the time is.
I know, but it all comes down to the last second anyway. So I'm working on it, as you can see.
Yeah. Stay tuned for some good news.
I just sent you the structure report from the place. Okay, we'll finish.
Do your thing. Multitasking is the game. So this will just stay as is for now. And then we're pretty much done. So let's go see what we're gonna do now. So here's the paint. Who's talking? Sanding block?
No, the little screwdriver.
Oh no. What's screwdriver? Okay. Do you have, I need the ladder. I can grab it if you want. This is gonna go here. There's a lot of stuff to get. We need a drop cloth. I need this. What else do I need? I need this. And I'm gonna need the ladder. All right. And then I'm gonna start placing here. Oh, can you move this for me? It's like, don't scratch the floor. Thanks. So since we did the floors, we want to make sure we protect the floors. Should be okay to be here. You don't want to spend all that time and money doing your floors and then ruining them afterwards. Let's move this out of the way. There we go. That's good. It's here. Okay, now we need a ladder. What's up?
You want to meet here at the office, and I can show you all the, like, we can just talk
For now.
sort of numbers for now, and see if it even makes sense.
Yeah, come with me and my friend will sit on the boardroom and we discuss.
Okay, let's do that. Goodbye.
Change of plans. I already took off our good clothes. Now we're gonna go into the meeting with our bad clothes.
That's okay.
Okay, ready?
Can you go get my laptop also?
Yeah, I'm gonna off for the meeting, yeah.
Access denied. Access denied.
You can't come.